Good morning everyone. So this is my second vlog in the Completely Candid series. So this plan was completely unplanned. So today we are going to Bokhali. It is in West Bengal itself. So it's just a trip, road trip sort of. We'll go today, we'll just have a little fun there, we'll have lunch and then we'll come back. So we are going with our family friend. So it's basically one of my father's colleague, but we are like more like friends. So yes, it's like a family trip. So it's 7 a.m. in the morning and it's time to leave. I'll just finish off my morning tea and then we are ready to go. So in my last vlog I couldn't introduce you all to my sister. So this is my elder sister. Say hi.
Hi.
So yes, we have left and we are all set to go. So let me just show you around which route we are taking. And the weather is pleasant today. As you can see, it's pretty sunny outside as well as a little chilly as well. So yes, it's an ideal weather to go. Also, I'm going to introduce you to one of a new family member, so which is my Jiju. Say hi.
Hello.
So yes, let's go. So it's 43 kilometers more to reach our destination. Oh my god, this noise. So we are looking for public toilets and we couldn't find any yet. So let me just show you around the place. So that's my Didi and Jiju. So we stopped nearby a petrol pump and we'll be having our breakfast over here. So it's 10 a.m. in the morning and we all are super hungry. We have brought our own breakfast, like we have cooked it from the home itself. So yes, we took a halt over here because the journey is a little rough as the road are a little bumpy. So yes, let's see what are we gonna eat.
আমরা খাচ্ছি লুচি এবং তরকারি আলুর দম
কাশ্মীরি আলুর দম
কাশ্মীরি আলুর দম এটা খুবই বাজে হয়েছিল খেতে যাই হোক টেকনিক তো চলবে
Hi.
Hi. We are having bananas.
Kela khala, kela.
Looking like a monkey.
You are a monkey. This
Not
is
bad.
my
You want?
banana. Let's do cheers.
Cheers. Why are we showing bananas?
No one's there. Basically, he is my younger brother, but you can see the height.
Yo.
I'm here. You want banana?
No.
You don't want banana? Why? So I'm becoming tall by eating banana. You all want banana?
No thanks.
Actually, he is a banana. He is wearing yellow. I'm the most lamest person in this earth.
Yes. On this earth.
On the road. So, what are we having now?
We're having oranges.
Yes, oranges. Yeah! So we all look very happy right now because our stomachs are full. And once your stomach is full, you tend to become happy. The food was very tasty. That was a joke. So basically she made the Kashmiri aloo dum and he did not like it. So we will see. Oh, that was a break. So we will see the Tom and Jerry fight in a while. I'll show you the real Tom and Jerry of my life. So keep waiting. Entertain us. So guys, we have reached our destination. The only problem over here is that the place is a little crowded. Also, we are carrying our sanitizers and masks to be very protective, although we are not very sure. Well, that's my sister and we both are twining today. She's totally crazy! So, this place's name is Bokhali and she'll explain you why the name of the place is Bokhali. Please do the honors.
You know, Box has been evacuated and the beach is khali, so it's Box Khali. Yo!
I need some rest, guys. 2 minutes of silence for this explanation. So the beach is quite far away. We need to walk a bit more. So these are not really the high ones. These are really small, but yes, you can always enjoy them. বেঁচে আছে আদৌ?
হ্যাঁ বেঁচে যাবে।
ওই যে নড়ছে নড়ছে। Oh my god! So what is it? Crab, right? From where did you get it?
From the sea.
Is it alive?
No, it's dead.
Okay. So it's time to leave. We'll have our lunch and then we'll leave. But it's really so sad that we have to leave this place. You know, it's very, very natural that whenever you come to a sea beach, you just don't feel like leaving this place because you enjoy so much. But then we'll be returning home today itself. So that is why we have to leave now. We have to have our lunch as well. So see you soon. Kire? What are these?
Russians.
Wow, I just love them. There are so many but broken. The white ones. Here's a big one, but then it's broken. Here's one. এই যে এখানে একটা আছে আছে জানিস তো, ছোট 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 আছে। There are so many. First we thought that it's RIP, but then it's R plus P. So some couple has written their initials over here. Oh my god. What's written here? Pretty cool. I shouldn't be, spoiling them. Still busy to collect the shells. I have collected one. Let me show you. Okay, that's my sandal, just ignore it. So, focus. It's not focusing. Yes, there it is. These are for decorating your home. You can see so many things made out of shells. So we are returning from our trip. So we have basically taken a halt over here to have some tea and coffee in this stall. As you can see, it's fast food and hotel. It's the name of the stall. So yes, we have taken a halt. What place is this? I don't know what place is this. This place is something called Narayanpur Namkhana, something that is written there. So we are having tea. It's good?
Yes.
Okay. I'll have coffee. guys, so we are back. It's 10:50 p.m. and we returned around 10:30 p.m. So I just got freshened up, took a bath, and now I'm feeling all fresh. I just need a good rest today. Also, I enjoyed a lot, as you have seen in the video. And yes, do you like my Completely Candid series or not? Do comment down below. If you haven't watched my previous Completely Candid video, you will find it over here. It's about Durga Puja. And yes, if you like this video, you know the drill. Please do give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Stylish for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.